Understanding Down in the Dumps, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, down in the dumps. Have you ever felt really sad or in a low mood but didn't know how to express it in English? Well, this phrase is your answer. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, down in the dumps, is used to describe feeling unhappy, sad, or depressed. Imagine feeling so low that you're metaphorically down in the lowest, most desolate place you can think of. That's what this expression conveys. It's a vivid way to express a lack of energy, motivation, or general dissatisfaction with how things are going in life. The origins of down in the dumps are a bit murky, but it's believed to have been in use since at least the 16th century. While the exact origins are unclear, it's thought that the word dumps might have originally referred to a feeling of dullness or a low spirit, rather than a physical place. Over time, the phrase evolved to symbolize being in a state of deep sadness or depression. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's see how to use down in the dumps in real-life situations. Here are a few examples. After losing the championship game, the entire team was down in the dumps. I've been feeling down in the dumps ever since I moved away from home. Seeing her best friend cheer up brought her out of the dumps. Notice how the phrase can be used in various tenses and situations to express a temporary state of sadness or depression. If you're looking for different ways to express the same feeling, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Feeling blue, in a funk, under the weather, often used for both physical and emotional states. Out of sorts. These expressions can add variety to your English and help you describe your emotions more precisely. Feeling down in the dumps is a common experience, and now you know how to express this feeling in English. Remember, it's okay to feel this way sometimes, and being able to talk about your emotions is an important step in feeling better. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use down in the dumps when you're feeling low. See you in the next video. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Stay motivated, and happy learning!